Next, let's talk about AWS Route 53. Route 53 is a domain name system service offered by AWS. It's a global service. That means any change that you make are applied globally. Route 53 leverages the AWS as locations. Route 53 is a DNS service offered by AWS. It's a global service. That means any changes that you make are applied globally. Route 53 offers several advanced features such as health check, failover, and latency based routing to ensure high availability and optimal performance of your applications. Route 53 integrates seamlessly with other AWS services such as S3, Elastic Load Balancing, and AWS Certificate Manager to provide a complete solution for your applications need. Route 53 provides a simple console to manage the DNS records, and it integrates seamlessly with other AWS services to provide a complete solution for your applications need. AWS Route 53 offers these several benefits compared to the traditional DNS system. Scalability. Route 53 is designed to handle millions of requests per second and can scale automatically to handle the traffic spikes and DDoS attacks. Route 53 is a globally distributed service with multiple points of presence that ensure the reliable and fast routing of applications. Performance. Route 53 offers advanced routing policies that enable you to route the traffic to the nearest AWS regions, minimize the latency, and improve the end user's experience. Route 53 offers pay as you go pricing with no upfront cost or minimal fees, and you only pay for what you use. Amazon Route 53 is a highly available, scalable, and cost effective DNS service that can help you to route the traffic to your applications. Route 53 provides a complete solution for your DNS needs with advanced features such as health check, failover, and latency based routing.